In primetime news this evening, security forces hold crucial talks with local security firms amid increase in robberies.
In limbo, section of courthouse roof in Trelawney collapses.
And relatives of man who died after electrocution hires lawyer. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, has given its latest prognosis of the local economy. I'll give the details a little later on.
And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Giovanni, it's going to be a different strategy this time around for the Reggae Boys when they play Mexico in their crucial CONCACAF Nations League clash on Sunday. At least so says Reggae Boys head coach Jaime Hallgrimsson. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
And Romain has a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, this weekend we are expecting partly cloudy skies in the afternoons across most of the area. The morning should be sunny, and we're expecting an increase in wind speeds, especially across the south. We'll have more details in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the World Athletics Council's decision to ban transgender women athletes from participating in elite competitions?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.